we discuss electrostatic potential energy, right? Work done against an electric force or electrostatic force in carrying or bringing a charge from infinity to a point without acceleration, right? We are talking about a charge, not about unit positive charge. Remember, in case of potential, क्या किया था हमने potential में? Let we take a point charge q and from infinity some unit positive charge is carry or bringing up to a point p, right? Then some work is done w and this work done is stored as potential, right? And we carry this charge from here infinity to that point is without acceleration, means acceleration is 0, right? This work done is against electrostatic force. Due to this charge there is an electrostatic force, right? This is in term of potential. पोटेंशियल में क्या था, यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज को इन्फिनिटी से पी पॉइंट पे लेके आए अगेंस्ट इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स विदाउट एक्सेलरेशन, देन दिस वर्क डन इज व्हाट, stored as potential. This work done is stored as potential, right? But in case of potential energy, we have to carry or bring some charge q from infinity to a particular point against electrostatic force without acceleration, then the work is done is stored as electrostatic potential energy, right? Means potential is equal to work done per, not unit charge this time, there is some charge, right? Which means W is equal to Q into, this is work, and that work done is stored as what? Potential energy, means U is equal to QV. This is the potential energy, right? Now we have to find out potential energy due to a point charge. Find out potential energy due to a point charge, right? Similar here, to find out due to a charge, we have to take a point charge. Let's say it's capital Q, right? And according to the definition, Q charge is taking from infinity to a point P, and that work done is stored as energy, and that point P is at a distance r from the point charge, right? Then potential energy is what? Q into V, right? And we know that potential due to a point charge, due to this charge Q, potential at point P, let's say it is V, तो potential V क्या होगा at point P पे? Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R, right? Put the value of V over here, then energy is what? Q into Q 4 pi epsilon naught R. This is the potential energy due to a point charge. We clearly see that potential energy is product of the either charges as well as inversely proportional to R, right? This is potential energy due to a point charge. Now we have to find out potential energy due to number of charges, right? Let us take due to a number of charges. Find potential energy due to a number of charges. To understand this, let's say there is no charge over here on that surface. There is no charge, means it is equipotential surface. No charge means everywhere potential is what? 0, because there is no charge, right? So at every point potential is 0. This surface is what? Equipotential surface, right? And some point, let's say at infinity, we bring a charge q1 from infinity to a point. Let's say we bring this charge q1 infinity से यहां तक हम लेके आए इसको. वर्क डन हमें वहां से यहां तक लेके आने में करना पड़ा लेट्स से w1. तो वर्क डन कितना करना पड़ा हमें? तो वर्क डन इज 0. व्हाई? बिकॉज इट इज इक्विपोटेंशियल सरफेस, और इक्विपोटेंशियल सरफेस पे क्या, किसी भी चार्ज को मूव करेंगे तो देयर इज नो वर्क डन इन ब्रिंगिंग अ चार्ज फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट टू अनदर, राइट? और इसको हम इस तरीके से भी समझ सकते हैं कि वर्क डन क्या होता है, क्यू अपॉन 4πε0 r, right? Here we can see that q is what, q1, the charge carry, but capital Q is what, 0. So capital Q is 0 means work done is what, 0, right? So work done in carry a charge q1 at this point, this work done is 0, right? This is first charge. Bring first charge from infinity to here, right? Now let us take another charge q2 and bring it over here. Let's say here this charge q2 is bringing from infinity to point up infinity to this point, right? Now to bring this charge from infinity to here, we have to do some work. Let's say this work done is, we name it like this, work done 1 2, right? How much to carry second charge, work done is 1 2. How much charge? Now we have to do some work. हमें यहाँ इसे यहाँ इन्फिनिटी से यहाँ तक लेके आने के लिए कुछ वर्क डन करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि ड्यू टू दिस चार्ज there is some electrostatic force, right? So that electrostatic force we have to do work done, and that work done is what? Let's say separation between these two is R12, right? So work done is what? Product of both the charges Q1 Q2 upon 4πε0, and separation between these two R12. This is the work, right? Now bring third charge from infinity to some particular point. Let's say this is at infinity, some q3 charge is there, and we carry that q3 charge up to a point, let's say this point q3. infinity से q3 तक हम किसी चार्ज को लेके आए, तो हमें यहाँ पे इस चार्ज पे कितना वर्क डन करना पड़ेगा, राइट? यहां देखिए, जब इसको लेके आए तो यहाँ पहले से दो चार्ज हैं, देयर आर टू चार्ज प्रेजेंट्स ओवर हियर, राइट? सो वर्क डन ड्यू टू दिस चार्ज अगेंस्ट द फोर्स, इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स ड्यू टू दिस चार्ज एंड दिस चार्ज आल्सो, राइट? तो वर्क डन बाय द दिस चार्ज वी कैन से, लेट्स से W13, एंड ड्यू टू दिस चार्ज W23, राइट? तो टोटल वर्क डन on Q3 is what? W13 due to this charge and due to this charge. Let's say separation between this is R13 and separation between these two charges are R23, right? तो थर्ड चार्ज इंफिनिटी से थर्ड चार्ज को किसी पॉइंट पे लेके आए तो कितना वर्क डन करना पड़ा? W13 प्लस W23, which is equal to W13 is what? Work done by these two charges means product of charges 4πε0, and separation between these two is R13 plus W23 product of charges 4πε0 R23. Any doubt? Good. Let's say 4 charges bring from infinity, right? Q4 charge, right? 4 charges carry up to a point, let's say over here. Q चार्ज को हम यहां तक लेके आए इस पॉइंट तक, तो हमें कितना वर्क डन करना पड़ा? कितना करना पड़ा? पहले से कितने चार्ज हैं? 3. हर एक चार्ज इसके ऊपर फोर्स लगाएगा, इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स, और हर एक फोर्स के अगेंस्ट हमें वर्क डन करना पड़ेगा. मींस द वर्क डन बाई Q1 charge is W14 plus work done by Q2 W24 and 3 W34, right? तो वर्क डन 142434 which is equal to 14 work done by this separation between these two, let's say R14, ये जो separation है ये R14, ये जो separation है R24, मैं ड्रॉ नहीं कर रहा हूं, काफी होच पोच हो जाएगा। तो Q1 से Q4 इन दोनों चार्जेस के बीच की जो सेपरेशन है, लेट्स से दिस इज R14, यहां R24 and this one is R34, right? So Q1 Q4 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R14 plus Q2 Q4 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R24 plus Q3 Q4 4 pi epsilon naught R34 and so on. फिफ्थ चार्ज लेके आए, सिक्स्थ, सेवंथ, एट्थ and so on up to n number of charges, right? So now total charge on that system, total work done by that system is what? Total work done is what? Work done adding up all the work done by the charges. That is the total work done. Let's say total work done is what? W. By this whole system, total work done is W. So total work done is written as combination of all the four work dones. That is W1 plus W12 plus W13, W23 plus W14, W24, W34 plus and so on up to n number of charges. And this total work done is told as electrostatic potential energy. Means this is what? U. This is electrostatic potential energy. Right? Now put the values of work done over here. What we get? U, which is equal to total work done, potential energy. W1 is 0. This is 0. Right? W12 is Q1 Q2 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R12 plus W1 W this Q1 Q3 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R13 plus Q2 Q3 4 pi epsilon naught R23 plus and so on. Also put this term and we get it. Right? मैं ये टर्म यहां पे लिख नहीं रहा हूं, काफी लेंथी हो जाएगा and right, that's why this is enough. So यहां से हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? टोटल एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू, there are two terms Q1 Q2, Q1 Q3, Q2 Q3. So we can write it like this: Qi and Qj upon 4 pi epsilon naught Rij, right? Where summation I is equal to 1 to n and also summation j is equal to 1 to n, right? It is right expression for this? No, there is some mistake. What is that? Think about it. If I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1, then Q1 Q1. If 2 2, then Q2 Q2. But here same term are not there. 1 1 no, 1 1 no, 1 1 2 2 3 3. This term are missing. Means I is not equal to j. That is the first condition. Right? Now it is okay. No, there is a little more mistake. What is this? If I put I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 2, then I Q1 Q2, Q1 Q2 4 pi epsilon naught R1. This term is becomes, right? If I am putting I is 2 and j is 1, then term becomes Q2 Q1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R21. And this is similar to this. Means this contain two terms, that is 1 2 and 2 1. Twice terms. right? Here 1 2 is there but 2 1 is not there, 1 3 is there but 3 1 is not there, 2 3 is there but 3 2 is not there. Means this summation contains every term twice, 1 2 or 2 1, right? So what we have to do, we have to make it half. This is the exact expression for electrostatic potential energy due to n number of charges, right?